Now, you've probably heard of mindfulness, but do you know that mindfulness can be practiced in many different ways? For example, mindful eating, mindful learning, mindful words, mindful movement, mindful meditation, which most of you are familiar with. Now, first and foremost, what exactly is mindfulness? If you want to explain it in a very simple terms, it's just being aware of what you are doing as you are doing it. That means if you are talking to somebody, you are aware of the words, your actions, your thoughts, and your feelings. If you are eating something, you are fully aware and focused on that, knowing, recognizing the taste, the texture, the smell, using as many of the senses as possible. How can mindful practice benefit us? It can help us in various ways, physical and mental. It helps us to reduce anxiety, reduce stress, lower or normalize your blood pressure, helps to reduce pain. It helps us to be more aware of our feelings. And when we are more aware of our feelings, we say good things, we think good thoughts. And it's very good in my anger management practice because it helps people to say the right words and not like explode and say things that they will regret later on. So for today, we're going to practice our mindful eating. So pause the video, go get any type of food. Can be maybe a piece of fruit, a raisin, can be an apple, or it can even be your rice or your main course, maybe fish. Pause this video, go get your food. Okay, you got your food? That's good. So I got my piece of French toast. So when you're doing mindful eating, you put in as many of your senses into the exercise as possible. Previously, if you've seen my previous video, you realize that I've lost 80 over kilograms in less than a year. And previously, I could finish like a tub, that means 1 liter of ice cream in 10 minutes, maybe even less. Because I just gobble it up. I'm so excited when I see my tub of ice cream. Whoa, within 10 minutes, it's gone. I could go for another round. But these days, I'm more mindful in my eating. I enjoy my food. I enjoy the taste. I enjoy the smell. And because of that, I chew my food better. And because of that, digestion is better. Helps you to absorb the nutrients better. So it's a very good way to practice mindful eating because it helps you to benefit, especially those who have the ambition to lose a bit of weight, help you feel full faster. I mean, not full faster, but when you prolong your eating, your brain will tell you, okay, you're full at a certain limit. Sometimes you eat too fast, you just gobble your food and non-stop, even after that 20-minute limit, because you're not really putting it into your digestive system. Your brain might tell yourself, oh, you're still hungry, but actually you've already eaten quite a lot of food. So mindful eating will help you be more aware of your eating habits, your pace, and really enjoy your food. So okay, you have your food with you? That's great. Now, all you have to do, firstly, sense of sight. Just look at the food. I know if it's something that you've seen every single day, doesn't really matter. Just look at the texture. For me, this French toast, I'll notice the colors. Certain parts are brownish. Certain parts have a little bit of the egg that has been fried on it. I can see a little bit, it's a bit darker. Some parts are a little bit more charred, a bit brownish, dark brown. Notice your own food item. You have a raisin, notice the texture, the colors. And next, sense of touch. Touch it and see how it feels. How it feels when your fingers come into contact with the food item. Okay, it's smooth, it's a bit sticky because of the egg yolk. And certain parts is rough because I use wholemeal bread. How about for you? Notice the texture of your fruit. Is it smooth? Is it cold? Is it warm? Notice. Acknowledge it. Next, sense of smell. Smell it. Smell your raisin. Smell your pear. Smell your apple. If you have a piece of fish, smell it. Oh, it smells good. It smells freshly baked bread. You smell a raisin, you can smell lovely smell. Might be strong if you have fish that is cooked in a certain sauce. Notice the smell. How is it like? Acknowledge it. Because there's no sound unless if you are using a drink, you're stirring a drink. And now the taste. Now, for explanation purpose, I'm not going to eat it because I need to speak. But for you, all you need to do is take a bite. And notice how the sensation is like once that food is in your mouth. Don't chew it yet, but just put it on your tongue. Notice, is it sweet? Is it sour? Is it savory? Now start to chew. Notice the sensation of how it's like when your teeth, your molars are grinding it. Is it sticky? Is it very soft? Is it smooth? If it's a drink that you're drinking, and of course you're not chewing it, but how does it feel like once it goes through your throat? Okay, now swallow it. Those of you who have been chewing it, swallow. So how does it feel like when it goes through your throat? It's a warm sensation, or it feels a bit sticky, or you're still chewing it because you hasn't broken it down. Acknowledge it. Feel the sensation of how it's like moving your jaws and you close your mouth and chew. How does it feel like? Okay, swallow it and get it down. Notice it? It took longer than normal because why? You had all your sensations in there. Your sense of sight, your sense of smell, your sense of touch, and your sense of taste in the air. Some of you maybe you move it around and you have your sense of hearing as well. So this is the way you practice mindful eating. So the next time you have your main course or just any snack, practice this. Take some time, notice how it looks like, how it smells like, and you notice the taste and the texture, how it feels to hold it in your hands or your spoon or your fork. This will help you to really enjoy and savor your meal times. And for those who are trying to lose weight, this will help you to eat slower, pace yourself, and really enjoy your food rather than gobble down like how I used to. So practice this mindful eating. Share this with your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great meal and have a great day. Bye.